Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize add SSO with Microsoft Azure to no-code apps, full guide step by step clearly. To start implementing single sign-on, or SSO, with Microsoft Azure for your no-code applications, you'll first need to log into your Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section on the left panel. Click on App Registrations to begin the process of registering your application. Select New Registration to create a new application. Give your application a name that reflects its purpose. Choose the appropriate account type based on your organization's needs. In the Redirect URI section, select the type of application you are using and enter the URI where your application will handle authentication responses. After filling in the details, click the Register button to create your application. Once registered, note down the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID for later use. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets tab on your application page. Click on New Client Secret to generate a secret that your application will use for authentication. Add a description and set the expiration period as required for your application. Once created, copy the client's secret value and store it securely. Now proceed to the Authentication tab. Ensure that you've added the redirect URIs and check the boxes for storing tokens. Next, head to the API Permissions tab. Click on Add a Permission to specify the APIs your application will access. Select the appropriate APIs and assign permissions based on your application needs. After adding permissions, make sure to grant admin consent for those permissions if required. Once permissions are set, move to your no-code application platform. Locate the section where you can configure authentication or SSO settings. Enter the application ID and client's secret you obtained from the Azure portal. Also, input the directory, tenant, ID where prompted. For the authorization endpoint, use Azure's endpoint for token requests based on your configuration. Follow this by specifying the redirect URI that you registered earlier. Save the settings on your no-code platform to apply the changes. To test your integration, access your no-code application and attempt to log in. You should be redirected to the Microsoft sign-in page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.